1, 2, 1, 2. All right, guys. I think we got everything. Give me 5 more minutes. Sorry, like I don't know what happened there. All right. Let's put the sound 1, 2, 1, 2, guys. How are you doing? How is everyone? Good morning, good morning. Bo. Yes. It is working, finally. We did it, guys. We did it. So I have a lot to read, I believe. Oh, show me the chat. Show me the chat. Salut Xero, thank you for the $2 donation, dude. Hey, I like your little emote there, huh? Uh-huh. I like your little face on YouTube. You're looking good, broski. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning. Let's go back to the beginning. So we had a little conversation there. I try to read all your message chat. Hello GR, hello Logvon. Chris, good morning. Linux for all, hello. Sandro, Rebel, let's go papa, what's up dude? Bourbonic, Popolvar, what's up? Leo Dagan, good morning. Groovy Train, hello ladies. What's up dude? Doll TV, greetings. Happy Wednesday, buddy. Michael, Xero, what's up again? Delay due to the malfunctioning of the French press. So yeah, like, I don't know what happened, chat. I don't know what happened, dude. But long story short, the stream didn't start automatically. So on my hand, I could see myself streaming, but it was not streaming on your hand, which was really odd. Guy on Moves, what's up? Xenai. Salience, hello, hello. Okay, I think I didn't miss any message, chat. Reading all of them right now. Hello, NetBSD Toaster, how are you? Man, that sucks. Good morning, aunties. What's up, buddy? Nice to see you here. Curtis Perry, how are you? Oh my gosh. Everybody is here today. Thank you very much for watching, chat. Mr. Hardy, how are you doing? Stefan Brunder, hello. Powell. And Bouyan, what's up? Okay, everybody's great in chat. Xero, thank you for the $2 dono. I think I saw Mirko this morning too. So I hope you're doing well, dude. Hope everybody is well. What are we going to do today? So, here is a plan. Today we're going to install EndeavourOS because they released February 10th their latest like ISO called Mercury. And I want to talk about it because I believe that EndeavourOS is the best and easy way to learn Arch Linux. So I know we have like some Arch Linux like purists in the chat saying like, yeah, but it's not like Arch Linux. They don't use mkey init cpio for generating the ITRAFS, and they have their little hook already set up. Like, this is not the purest Arch. Well, you might be right, okay? But I think for learning, it's definitively like one of the best distro out there. Because they don't add a lot of bloats. Actually, they don't add any. They have a wiki which is really like friendly. I wouldn't say that the Arch wiki is not friendly, but I would say it might be a little bit more intimidating for a newcomer. So I think EndeavourOS is just there, you know, in the middle for the people who, you know, want to jump into the Arch world without having too much hassle. Okay. So this is literally why I want to still cover it from time to time, because I made a review of it like a long time ago. I use this distro when I switch from Windows to Linux for my desktop before like running like a little bit of Arch and then switching to CachyOS. So this distro has still a place in my heart, and I want to, you know, share this with you guys. Okay, this is literally like the purpose of this whole stream. That was the first Arch-based distro I've tried a couple of years ago. Nice, dude. That's true. EndeavourOS is one of the absolute best. Yes. So let's get into it right away. So I think you understand. Like, do you have any question, chat? Do you have any question? EndeavourOS Mercury. So that's the code name. When I reviewed it, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago, they were still on XFCE. But then now I believe like they propose XFCE still, but their main will be more like KDE. We'll see. We'll see where we are, chat. It's been a long time I didn't install it. So EndeavourOS, oh, for the latest NVIDIA, thank you. Okay, we're gonna go with that. Nice. Hey, salut Elsnarko. At least the Arch Wiki is an actual wiki instead of a curated documentation system. Looking at you, Kashi. Okay, guys, please don't go in this direction, okay? Don't go in this direction, okay? You know, like this channel already, like the purpose is... I don't want this channel to become like, you know, a purist, elitist type of channel. I would like this channel to stay where it kind of was before, which was like more like someone jumping into the world of Linux desktop after, like, you know, staying some time on the server side and sharing his experience, but also like sharing his experience to bring people aboard, right? And when you start to, you know, like you start this little war between distro, you don't help Linux, you know what I mean? Even if technically like you are true, it just... Fun fact, EndeavourOS community will help you with any pure Arch distro, even vanilla Arch distro, just not MKey NewCPIO. Great Bacon, Poplovar, okay, you're on Twitch, what's up? Nice emote, Great Beacon. Remember me a good time. I'm about to use Endeavor or Kashi. I don't know what to choose. What is the simplest for a newbie, for a gamer? I think Endeavor is better if you want to learn Arch. And Kashi will be easier to game right away. Salut Vet, what's up? Malaxiop, Plop, what's up? Hey, salut Armax. Je suis tout récent sur Linux et je me suis lancé grâce à la vidéo de James Lee et j'ai vu ta réaction. Du coup, j'ai tout normalement installé Basit. Ok. Bienvenue, Shad KP1. Je vais traduire ce que tu as dit en anglais pour que tout le monde comprenne. Et si tu peux parler en anglais, même si ton anglais n'est pas parfait, ça serait cool. J'apprécierais vraiment. So guys, I'm going to translate what Shady KP1 said. Hey, salut Armax. Good morning Armax. Hello. Hey. I'm a beginner on Linux. I'm really like new. And I launched myself into Linux because of James Lee and also your reaction to the video that James Lee made long ago. So naturally, I went and installed Basit. Welcome to Linux, buddy. Salut Sunrise. Makifi, what's up? Vexy, how are you doing, dude? Look at this guy with his new motherboard. Distro war since forever, we don't need it anymore. Yes. I use Arch, by the way, but I say whatever works best for you, just use. Even if it's Linux Mint, it's better than Windows. Not wrong. Have you tried Void Linux and Gentoo? Yes, I did. Like, look on my channel and you will see my review of Void Linux. And Gentoo, I never tried it live, obviously, because like it will take too much time to compile everything. So I don't want to do like, you know, 11-hour stream to install like Gentoo, but yeah, Gentoo, I used it on the server like a long time ago. So I know a little bit about Emerge, if you know what I mean. Salut Quinten, what's up? Parvez, Debian Lover, nice. Okay, so let's see, just for science, if they load the driver right away in the ISO. And they do. Oh boy! They have the driver loaded right away in the ISO. So I'm gonna check again, chat, but like... this is pretty neat. Uh-huh. 570, dude. Look at those guys. Wow. Look at those guys, chat. Oh, so they have their own script to install and everything, I guess. Okay. Let's jump into it and see, okay? See what they do. It has been a long time I didn't touch this. So it's it's on KDE. Okay, as you can see. He has a driver installed right away. Do we have a fast fetch? Neo fetch. Darn, they don't have it. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna install. Start the installer. So far, Endeavour. Yes, start the installer online or offline. Let's do online. EndeavourOS has been my best Linux experience in more than 20 years. Jeez, we have a lot of EndeavourOS lovers. I'm one of them, okay? I don't use it because I believe that cache is a little bit better when it comes to gaming. And you have less work to do because I'm lazy. But I recognize that Endeavour is like... nice. Okay, so you can choose... What do they have? Man, they reduced the list. I thought they had more before. LXQT, Cinnamon, Plasma, and they didn't jump into the Hyperland wagon, huh? So they don't have Hyperland. So let's go with KDE. Okay, dev base plus common packages, I like that. So they have Yay, they don't have Paru. Okay, we're gonna use Yay, why not? I like Paru better, but... So this is what they bring. So the EndeavourOS branding. So let's say you want to do a full arch, right? And you don't want anything related to Endeavour. You just tick that, and you're good to go, right? We're gonna keep it. They have their recommendation selection in terms of app. You see, it's super light, dude. It is super light. I'm not a fan of glances, but it is super light, chat. V, we're not going to use it. We're gonna go with Nano, like old school, like spell checker and language. Why not? Firewall. Okay, yes. KDE desktop. What do we have? And the EndeavourOS setting. You see, unselect to install vanilla. We're gonna go with these two. I want to show you how good they look. I think their theming is good too. Okay, system bootd grub. Yeah, so you can choose the bootloader, which is pretty dope. Or even without bootloader. Why not? Not a problem. Okay. We're gonna go on my Kingston 240, so it's this one, yeah, Kingston, yes. Erase, no swap. Alright. Air Max. So Endeavour. EOS. By the way. My famous password, chat. Yes. Let's go. Simple as that, dude. Salut GGK All, what's up? Your last Endeavour stream was 9 months ago. Where does the time go? I know, dude. Bro, why are you betraying CacheOS? I'm not betraying anyone, brother. GTKL is still on EndeavourOS. How are you, buddy? How Endeavour has been? It was a distro I started with, and then I swapped to CacheOS when you mentioned some time ago, and I haven't looking back. We'll see. So far, it's pretty good, chat. I don't like Draclet because of the lack of documentation. Here is a distro. There is a mix between GNOME and KDE. I mean environment. What do you mean? Like you choose between like one or the other, you know? I run system dboot. The config file for it is quite simple. I love it. Yeah. There is no bad answer here. I like grub better because I'm used to it. You don't need to distro up. It's harsh on both sides. Yeah, between Cache and Endeavour are graded. X0. Yeah, EndeavourOS is definitively like a good distro, dude, like yours. But today we are doing an EndeavourOS review. Know what I mean? Hey, I had a question. Is it possible to play start every software that was installed on an external hard drive? Because when I tried to play a game that was installed away from the main partition on Steam. Hello Varisk, how are you? Els Narco, thank you very much for the Prime sub, buddy. I totally missed it. I hope you are around. Man, I can't see the message you put. I hate this interface. I'm gonna have to work on that, chat. Okay, now I can see it. When will I see the man behind the curtain? The legend, la crème de la crème. My man! Thank you very much, Els Narco, okay, for your support on Twitch with your Prime sub. Appreciate it. So guys, if you have a Prime sub, you don't know where to use it, we accept Prime sub on Twitch. Prime sub only, okay? For the rest, we have the YouTube membership and Patreon. I've been running EndeavourOS for every 2 years now. It has been so nice. Nice, dude. To be honest, in my opinion, what I love about CacheOS over Endeavour is driver installation. Much easier on Cache. Always run into conflict on Endeavour that requires me to delete Steam to fix. What? Never had this issue, brother. Ramiel, thank you very much. You are now a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club on Twitch. Thank you for the Prime sub. Let's go! Thank you, dude. Yeah, Papa Smurf, I never had those issues. I saw Chris Titus was advertising his Linux utility again to install base Arch in 5 minutes. Anyone tried it? I didn't try it, dude. Like, what does he bring versus like Arch install, for example? Like, what is it all about? Is it to install his own script or like? Okay, let's restart. It was a little bit long, chat, but I do believe because we did the online install, he had to download some packages. It was a little bit on the slow side compared to CacheOS, I have to say. Well, it's not that important, but okay, let's restart. Oh boy, we got so many like Prime member on Twitch, boys. Oh my gosh. Thank you very much, dude. We got Give Me Bacon with a Twitch Prime and Guy on Moose with a Twitch Prime. Guys, you are now proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club. Thank you very much for your support, dude. Listen to me, Jeff Bezos is losing his mind right now. Because of you. Thanks a lot, dude. Appreciate it. Forget about Prime, guys. Maybe I should ask more often. Because it's easy to forget, right? You're watching your buddy Air Max on the stream, and you're like, dude, I forget I had a free Prime to give him. Know what I mean? So, SDDM, what's up? Valéric Tullio, you are now a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club, papa. Thank you very much, dude. Much, much appreciated. Thanks a lot, guys. Guy on Moose, exactly, I forgot about Prime. Guy on Moose is both on YouTube and Twitch. Thank you, man. Like, really appreciate it, dude. Salut, X Mouse Hunter. Thank you very much, guys. Whoa. Okay, so we are in, boys. So you have all the... Okay, let me go there, because obviously I didn't do... Chat. I didn't do a good word here. What is the application name? Darn. Oh, maybe it's welcome, no? Yeah, welcome. It's always welcome, chat. Okay, general info. Update Arch Mirror. Update Mirror for EndeavourOS. Update native package. Update. So they have their EOS update application. Interesting, dude. Okay. Display manager, EndeavourOS, default wallpaper. But this is really basic, okay? Got some assistants there. Some tips. And you can add more apps. Okay. Let's get into it, chat. We're gonna set up the two things I do most of the time, which is like go back to 100%. Yes. We're gonna check what version of KDE they have. 6.3.1, which was released yesterday, so we have the latest one. And we are on a kernel 6.13.2 Arch. Okay, basics. The mouse, I'm gonna remove the mouse acceleration. Oh, yes. Thanks. Okay, so this is where you go. You click here, none. You need that for sure. Yeah, shortcuts are working. Man, I like when everything works, chat. I like when everything works. 144 Hz. Brightness, we're gonna put it at 70 for my old eyes. Okay. Now, yay. Everything is up to date, so we're gonna do a yay-s fast fetch. Yes. Okay, so this one is in. I'm gonna plug my stuff here. Okay, oh man, this is good, chat. You know, this is what I like. This is when you just arrive and everything works. Pilgrims. How do I pronounce your word? Like, dude, how pronounce your name, brother? Pilgrim. Thank you very much for your Twitch Prime. Really appreciate it. You are now a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club. Thank you very much. Thanks for all the love, guys. Hello, Fritus. What is wrong? USB wireless dongle with KDE Arch Linux? What? Pilgrim. Oh, Pilgrim in English. Okay, so I'm gonna call you Pilgrim. Is that okay? Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. Enjoy the stream on Twitch without ads. And also special access on Discord. Guys, if you want the special access on Discord, it's there. Okay, you need to be a member of La Crème de la Crème Club. I'm just saying. Okay, so... Inventory, what do we have here? We should have backup somewhere. Yeah, fast fetch, pipewire. Okay, so this is my config file, chat. And now if I do that... Oh, it's cute. It's cute now, chat. Okay, no, this is not cute. Wait. I'm gonna install Kit here real quick, yeah. Look at this. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, la 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 la, dude. Kitty, please. And now. Ah. And voila, dude. You are ready to go. On paper, you are ready to go, chat. Cheers. Happy Wednesday. Let's trigger him more with more weird names. Valeric, come on, man. Hello, my channel. The KDE team have been crushing it with the update the past months. It's so good. Yes, I agree. So, you know, I made a video about an issue I encountered, and they already, like, checked what was the bug. They push it upstream, but it has not been, like, pushed into the release yet, I believe. Because we look at the change log, and, yep, was not there. So... They are definitively working, dude. Like it's going really fast. So don't you think the game side of Linux is too quiet at the moment? Like Proton, Wine, NVIDIA, DirectX 3D. Usually there is somewhere to look forward to, and now it's been quiet for a long time. Oh, okay. Yeah, you want to be excited, chat? Okay, let me show you something. Do you want to be excited about something? Okay, I'm gonna give you some excitement. Give me 1 second. Okay, this is too slow. Whoa! Whoa, chat, sorry about that. Yes. All right. You want something interesting, dude? Why is it? Uh-huh. Okay, it's just a tease, okay? Uh-huh. You know what I'm saying, chat? Just a tease. Okay, so things are excited. You just have to be patient, Vexy. I know it seems like we are in a in a slow phase, but I do believe it's gonna accelerate in the coming months again. Especially for the NVIDIA side. So it's a little cheese. But long story short, this gentleman here, Hans Christian Arntzen, is actually like pushing a lot of effort in new concepts that's gonna be out. So one of them he has been working on was for Final Fantasy Rebirth issue, you know, with the NVIDIA card. And it's coming with something really strong, I think, in the future, which will help NVIDIA user. So we have more and more and more, okay, coming. We just have to, like, you know, be patient. It's a lot of work. Salut, Nick DM, what's up? Hey buddy, thank you for your CachyOS video. I moved to it from Windows after 20 years. Nice, Reality. And I love it. Hey, welcome to the gang. Salut, Mr. Skerm. Do you have any plan to check Solus Linux? I already looked at it. So guys, if you are curious and you're like, hey, Armax, did you try Void Linux, for example? Okay, so you go there on my channel and you go on here, search, and you type, hey, did you try Void? Yeah, it looked like you tried Void. And then you're like, hey, what about Solus? Yes, right? So you have content there. You have like I don't know, like maybe a 15-minute video for Solus. And then you have like a 6-hour stream 9 months ago. Easy. So you have a lot of content on my channel when it comes to Linux. You just need to search for it. Okay, so what is the situation here? See if we can install Steam. Oh, ha 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 ha. Aha. Aha. Okay, so we are NVIDIA. We're going with NVIDIA. Let's see what he installed. Okay. What about Manjaro? Funny guy. I actually tried Manjaro multiple times, dude. Because I wanted to give a chance to the product. Dude. There is a Manjaro model, like the immutable, which kind of like interests me. Salut name. So we have the runtime for the native. Let's see how it goes. Yep. Perfect, chat. What a time to be alive, dude. So here it's all, guys, it's all with your like little hand, right, chat? Like you have to do everything by hand. Like this is a, we'll say like, you know, bare Linux. So you won't have the type of support you would get, for example, with CachyOS, right? But I know some of you guys love that, right? So this, I did install the configuration file for Pipewire for my hardware. So now I'm just restarting the service. Here we go. So now we're gonna have the sound. But man, it's rolling, dude. So it's installing. I'm gonna log in real quick, chat. So that we're gonna go right into it. We're gonna start to download game. But like without any, I think we're gonna have to play with the driver a little bit. Because I would like to deactivate the GSP, see how hard it is, but I don't think it is super hard. Soryak! How are you, dude? Hey, bro, let's do something crazy. What do you want to do? Shad KP1. So there is no issue with external hard drive, dude. Like there is a lot of reason why you could get issue while installing external hard drive, and it's more like a user issue rather than an issue within Linux. So if you are using partition which are not, I would say not compatible, which are not like good with Steam, you're gonna get into issues. So if you try to get game, for example, from your Windows hard drive and use them with Steam on Linux, it's not going to work properly. So I wouldn't advise toward doing that. Okay, so that will be the first one. You need to have an external hard drive which is like properly mounted and which has a proper partition compatible with Linux. And when I say compatible with Linux, it's more like, XTF4, BitterFS, all those stuff, okay? Hey, see you on Teams. Thanks for passing by, okay? So we don't, listen, dude, we don't do support while I'm doing the stream because it's more like entertainment, okay? Like we are not like, I can't answer everybody's like little issue on stream because then I only do that. Maybe what I should do one day is like one stream where we try to resolve everyone issue. Maybe we could do that one day. Like that could be a good thing, but like right now, this is not what I'm doing. What I would advise you to do though is go on the wiki of the distro you installed, make some research on internet, right, to see like why, like if other user had the same issue. That's gonna be a good start, okay? But again, like there is no issue related to external hard drive and gaming, okay? I saw that you play CS2 as well. I'm passionate CS2 player, but CachyOS made me love Linux. I installed Hyperland on top. Question, is VAX supporting Linux? Yes, reality. You can play, so for Counter-Strike 2, you can play the competitive game, like within the game, but you won't be able to play Face-It, okay? Everything that requires another, like, anti-cheat, it's like, especially like kernel anti-cheat, like Face-It, you won't be able to play. But the normal game, no problem. You just need to run the game native on Linux. You don't need to use Proton. That's all, dude. As simple as that. As a single male, I love to do it for hand. Okay, bro. That's why distro is for lonely men. Okay, man. I just understood the joke. Okay, Vexy. And also, I can recognize that with my RTX 4080, 12 gigabit of VRAM, I can run 32 AI local model with zero issue. Oh, you can do that, bro? Interesting. I thought you will need a little bit more of a VRAM to run those models. I run myself like DeepSeek 32B, I don't know how to pronounce that, on my 1390 on Linux. And yeah, it's just awesome. But I thought like you will need more than 12 gigabytes of VRAM to make it run. That's awesome, man. I heard that exFAT is not ideal because it doesn't support Simlink. Yeah, good point. Maybe just go with, the basic EXTF4, like whatever. Like go with that, dude. Do you accept the challenge? I didn't read the challenge, brother. Sorry, like I didn't read any challenge. I need to know about the challenge before accepting it. You said I have a challenge for you. Like, you need to tell me what it is. I have a question. GPU NVIDIA works better in Xorg or Wayland? They work the same in terms of like pure perf. You're gonna have the same output of FPS. It was not the case before, but if you use the latest driver and KDE, you're gonna have exactly the same perf. Salut Alejandro, what's up? Hello Coco, what's up? The only thing I don't like about Endeavour is the logo. That's okay. Arde, how are you doing?
Tifala, you will crash the bank.
Bro. We got a donation. Soryak? What did you do, broski? $50 for the Kashi song? We need to create a song? Bro! $50 US? What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? The challenge is to write the CashOS song lyrics. Oh! Like, you think... Brother, you really think I'm gonna have to... I can say no after these tips? I have to say yes. CashOS song. Oh boy. Okay, challenge accepted, chat. Challenge accepted. So, first, Soryak, you didn't have to do it, but you still did it. $50 US donation, dude. Thank you very much. Like, you are crazy. I'm gonna tell you straight, you are crazy, but I appreciate it. Thank you very much. This is going to go directly towards the budget for a budget for the 9070, dude. So thanks a lot. Much, much appreciated. So now, how do we get out of this? CashOS song. As you said, it's a show. Okay. Man, I'm gonna need your help. I'm not a really good writer. But I have an idea already. I have an idea, dude. I have an idea. Okay, let me download those games. I think we're gonna play Marvel too, okay? Install Marvel. Yes. Yeah, accept. So let's see the speed. See if we are like fine. We should be fine, but I have an idea, chat. And you have to sing the song on stream. Hey, Groovy Train, don't add a new layer. But I'm gonna sing it. For you, Groovy Train. Do you like Balatro? I love it. I'm totally addicted to this game. This game is like... Yeah, it's really addictive. And especially on the Steam Deck, dude. Like, my wife is not happy about me playing this game, that's for sure. Salut offline. Hello, I love your content. What are the best distro for Ryzen family? I have a 5950X using Ryzen monitor, Zen monitor. And is there any tool like Typhoon Burner for RAM? No. So for the RAM, I had to do, like, when I tweaked my 5950X at the time, I had to use Typhoon Burner and all the Typhoon, like, utility on Windows. Other than that, I would say that if you install, like, give a try to Linux and see how it works for your 5950X out of the box on a rolling edge distro. And you're going to be surprised. You won't need any tools. At least I didn't need any for my usage, which was like gaming and content creation. Like the CPU are already well supported on Linux. How fast is my internet? 1 gigabyte. But 1 gigabyte, but I'm using LAN cache here. You see, like this is LAN cache, and this is my SSD dying here, because I'm using not a great SSD. But yeah, It's like 2.5. Like I have a 10 gigabyte network at home, but my CPU is limited here, like the download. On my 5950X, I will go around like 5 to 7 gigabyte. Because you download the game, but you also decompress them. And the decompression on the 9800X 3D is not the best. Because there is only 8 cores, right? I put 300 hours into Balatro in a few months. It was bad. I know, dude. EndeavourOS or Mercury or CachyOS. I will still stay on CachyOS. But if you want to learn Arch, I think Endeavour is a little bit better because you have more things to do. CachyOS is giving you, you know, like a really good experience out of the box, and Endeavour is more like you have to dig into the wiki, you have to dig into stuff, learn. Okay, so we had a challenge, chat. We had a challenge. We have Nano. Oh, we have Nano. Okay. So let's do the challenge, dude. Let's do the challenge. A CachyOS song. Man. CachyOS song challenge. All right, so we need a base, chat. We need a base. And for the base, I have an idea, dude. I have an idea, dude. Let me check. YouTube. Okay, we're gonna start on that, dude. We're gonna have the base. This is gonna be the base of the song, okay, chat? So you see right now, my CPU is struggling. I'm gonna show you why. Because I'm downloading really fast and decompressing at the same time. And the 9800X 3D, like I noticed it's kind of struggling sometime. It's interesting, eh, chat? Yeah, you see, watch. Okay, so let's go with this one. The song is like that. Na 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 na.
I took two things that I...
Okay, so we're gonna listen to it together. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Okay? Okay, chat? That's gonna be the song itself, like the rhythm of the song. So bass. Alors. Bass music. Need to be creative, chat. Tino Rossi, Marinella. CachyOS. You get it? You get it, chat? Okay. So let's get, you wanna be funky a little bit? Let's use the AI. I'm gonna show you how to use the AI in 10 seconds, okay, chat? So we have the graphic card installed properly with the latest driver, okay? Yay. Olama. Let's see what type of package we have in the AUR. Olama, doc, no, RoxyM, CUDA. Okay, it's here. This is the one, dude. Olama CUDA, I think. Okay, free password. Okay. Vixie, come on, bro. I got a music studio. I will record it and make it to Dance Floor Smasher if you want. Ready, Scale? You got a music studio? Are you kidding me, dude? Then put Richard Stallman voice AI to sing it to make it official. Ermac showing his age with his music selection. Hey, I'm old, but I'm not that old, brother. Hey, I'm old, but I'm not that old. That song is so good, I never heard about it. And the problem is like I can't listen. I'm talking about an old song right now because if I played song through YouTube, I'm gonna get in trouble, right, chat? I can't play song, chat. You understand? I'm gonna get copyright strike. Or live on YouTube, right? I've released music and I had my own label, played halfway around the world, mate, at one point. Man, congratulations, dude. That sounds pretty excited. The latest like experience I had with music outside of you, Mr. Scarm, like, you know, like meets and great like that, was that I got in contact with the Lumineers because one of the artists of the Lumineers was and still is, I believe, like a big fan of PUBG. And yeah, so I don't think we played together. Maybe once we played in a team together. I don't even remember. But I was in contact with him on Twitter and stuff. It was pretty fun because he was a PUBG fan, and this is what I was doing like years ago. Just play PUBG all day. So we knew each other. That was pretty insane to have the chance, you know, to talk with someone like that. And another experience I had, I don't know if you know Deadmau5. He's a Canadian like producer of music, and I play against him in PUBG. Like, and he was not happy when we play against each other. Let's word it this way, brother. He didn't like when I killed him in game. Oh well. Yeah. I think I have the clip still somewhere. Demo style cache OS song will be sick, not gonna lie. I don't think you're gonna like the the beat of the sound, right? Because it's gonna be more like a vocal sound rather than, you know, like a techno sound, this type of stuff. But it could be fun. Is there anything that goes harder than writing music on Nano? That's the real question. Hey, Alejandro, wait until I connect to Olama. You will see. Like, so why do you need the Olama CUDA pack for? Okay, so here there is like 3 packages. Okay, so you have the RockCM, and you have the CUDA one, and you have the normal one. So if you just install this one without CUDA, it's gonna be running the model on your CPU and your RAM. If you install CUDA, it's gonna go on your NVIDIA card. And if you go with the RockCM one, it's gonna go, I guess, on your AMD card. And I never tried it. I don't own AMD, but that would be my guess. I'm using EOS and it's in fact much more user-friendly than Ubuntu. Agree with that. It just, you know, sometimes like for some user, it's hard to jump into the Arch world. I honestly don't believe it's that hard, but you need to adapt, right? What I'm gonna say is going to shock you guys, but I do believe like Arch is one of the easiest distro out there. And one of the stable, like more stable distro out there. Like you're gonna be like, hey, Max, oh, it's not true, blah, blah, blah. But there is so much documentation. There is such a big community that it makes the thing easier. I don't know if it makes sense, but even if you have to do everything by hand, it at the end of the day, it's still easier than anything else. Oh, you actually want to run a LLM? Oh yes, we will, dude. We're gonna ask DeepSeek, brother. We're gonna go with DeepSeek, chat. So you go on this website. Okay. And you check for a model. So yeah, DeepSeek R1, that's the one I want. Oh, they have Olama 3.3? What? I thought the last one was 3.2. Man, I'm not into the thing anymore, chat. Okay, and for the model, we're gonna go with, come on, dude. 32 bits, I guess. Yes. So this is the one we're gonna download. So you will see like downloading should be like fast enough. Okay, so he's installing CUDA right now. I use OpenMPT through Wine. That's how I've been messing around with music. What is OpenMPT, dude? Oh, it's for writing music. Man, we can do that. Like I'm not. I wish I was that creative, boys. Like I wish I was that creative. I am not. I'm not, chat. I wish I was. Deep down, I really wish I was, but the truth is like I'm not at all. Salut Johnny. I switched from EndeavourOS to CachyOS the other day, and I still see this stream, lol. Enjoyed it. First, we composed the song in Nano, then we recorded it and edited with FFmpeg through the CLI. Last, we produced the sample with Didi. No, listen, I'm just going to write the lyrics, I'm gonna sing it once, and that's all, dude. I can't go further than that. Okay, so we are installing. Are you use it in CLI or with a front end like LM Studio? I'm gonna go with CLI, dude. I'm gonna go with CLI. But like that, you will see like the real like basic stuff. Okay, so we're gonna download the thing first. So you do Olama. I think it's like help something like that. Yeah. So you do Olama. Pull. Okay, so we're gonna pull a model, and the model is this one. I don't know how good it is creatively, chat. But we're gonna push it. We're gonna pull it. Oh, so you need to run it. So don't be worried, chat. I think you need to systemctl start Olama service. Yeah. I don't know if you need a sudo for that. We'll see, chat. Because I can do the serve, but I would like to do it with systemctl. See if we can start it. Okay, like that, it's in the background, right? Then we're gonna pull it. Okay, chat. So wow, yeah, we are saturating my connection, bro. Oh boy, Joe Sforza, what's up, my man? How are you doing? Look at this guy. What's up, dude? I actually know YouTubers that use Linux from scratch and record and edit with FFmpeg using terminal command. Man, that's a rough one, chat. Best DAW on Linux is Bitwig Studio, but it's paid. I started off in 1990 on an Atari when I was a kid on Cubase 2. Wow. 1990, you were a kid? Man, doesn't make us younger, huh, this story? So did we download everything there? No, my hard drive is dying right now. My hard drive is like, oh, I'm dying, dude. I'm dying. Oh, what a time to be alive. I never thought this morning we'll be doing that, chat. So, yeah, that's a Soriac challenge. So we'll see how it sounds, okay? Nano is killing my hard drive. Man, this SSD is great, but you can't push it to the max. Like, it is what it is, dude. And we took a big model there. Maybe I should have taken a smallest model, but we want the best lyric ever, right, chat? We'll see what is going to spit. I'm really disappointed in PopOS over the years. I've been nothing but issue every couple of months. My friend updates his PopOS system and something break. I just had to manually fix Pipewire Pulse. So listen, dude. I think we need to talk about this. I made the review of PopOS, and I kind of like never wanted to talk again about it because, in my opinion, it's not a good distro. Okay, it's not a good distro because what they are trying to achieve outside of like Cosmic, I think Cosmic is gonna be great, but the distro itself is not good, chat. It's just my 2 cents. There is something wrong with the execution, especially when it comes to gaming. Like, I remember I tried their scheduler at the time, and I was like, man, like, it doesn't feel right, okay? They come with the promise that they have the NVIDIA driver pre-installed, but now most of the distros, they have it, right? It's not a differentiation anymore. Like, you know, like from a marketing standpoint, when you want to sell something, the value added they bring was the fact that they supported NVIDIA out of the box. Now all the distros, they support that, like most of them. So, you know, well, that's the 2 first problem, right? The scheduler, then the NVIDIA driver, which is not really a good differentiator anymore. And then you go to their like store, and their store was broken, like when I tried it, which kind of like shocked me. So I would try to install like Steam, the Deb version of Steam, and it will install the Flatpak, for example. And I was like, what? And I literally pressed the button to have like the Deb, like the native version, and it still pushed the Flatpak. And I was like, no, like this is not what I want. Right? So yeah, PopOS is, I don't know. I think Pop OS needs some love from their dev, but I couldn't recommend it right now. The issue I have is like I have so many users that come and are like, "Oh, Pop OS is so good," and in my head I'm like, "Bro, like if you just took the time and install like CachyOS, Nobara, even Nobara, EndeavourOS, yeah, you will have such a better experience that you have on Pop OS. Like it will be 10 times better." But they don't know it, right? Because they are in this like Pop OS like mindset. Like you could do a great Ubuntu fork, right? So okay, we have the model, now we're gonna run it. So I'm gonna ask it, "Hello, do you know CachyOS?" "Hello, as my last of update in July 2024, I don't have specific information about CachyOS. It might be a lesser known operating system, a niche project, or something that..." Bro! CachyOS. Wait. So let's teach him, okay? Man, it's flying. Listen to me, chat. It is flying. This is why I like my my 4090 chat. Oh, let's go! Okay. CachyOS is positioned as an operating system designed to offer exceptional speed, stability, and customization, appealing to both seasoned Linux users and newcomers. Here is a breakdown of its key aspects: speed and stability, customization, package management. Okay, so now we got something, okay, chat? Now we got something. So what I want to do is like, now you know what CachyOS is all about. Can you please write a song based... So we're gonna use it as an inspiration, okay? Based on your knowledge of CachyOS. Dude. My man. My man. Okay. Verse 1. Oh, CachyOS, you are a force to be reckoned. Lightning fast performance, it's never second. Smooth as silk, no lag, no delay. Power at your fingertip every day. Stability shines bright, no crashes in sight. Your computing experience feels just right. Whether you are new or old school pro, CachyOS is there to let you glow. Man, not bad, no? So, do you know the song from Tino Rossi, Marinella? I think he does, dude. Okay, so we're gonna give him the lyrics. Marinella, Tino Rossi, lyric. Okay. I think the user provided the lyrics to Marinella by Tino Rossi. I need to respond in a way. Thank you for sharing the line. If you like, I can help translate them. No. Now you know the concept of CachyOS and the song I would like you and the song from Tino Rossi, Marinella. I would like you to recreate the CachyOS song while what was the command? I never done that before. You said I need to ask for the inspiration, right? Give him style of your basis. In the style of, okay. The song in the style of Marinella by Tino Rossi. Thanks. CachyOS. Oh, darn. He lost it, dude. Can you please use your previous creation, then spit the lyrics in English? Too. Thanks. Yeah, no, I don't want to do a love song chat. So I think we're gonna have to start with this and work with this. Okay. As an inspiration. CachyOS, you are a force to be reckoned. Lightning fast performance. You are never a second. You know, something like that? So we just need to keep the rhythm, right? Like not to be like too long or too thing. So obviously I'm not Tino Rossi, chat. But I like the thing, right? CachyOS. You know, we start like that. Na 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 na. I think that would be great, no? Make it stop? What? Come on, Groovy Train, bro. You asked for it, man. You wanted me to sing it. So local LLM, very different than DeepSeek on the web. What do you mean, Lunimus? Watch out, this man got the gondola best hit. The gondola best hit, bro. I just need a boat in Venice, dude. Look up at Suno. Is that a model? Is that a LLM model or what? Never heard about it. No, so it's something else. I guess it's an application, right? Not a sound that sounds like it's 1945. Listen, bro. 1945, we don't have an issue with the copyright. My ears are bleeding. Man, listen, dude. I got paid before the concert. So if the crowd doesn't like it, no problem, dude. I'm not planning to be a singer. I suck, chat. Okay? But I think we could have, like, let's say we do like three or four couplets, okay? Man, this is... Dude, it's actually really good, huh? I have to say, like, what he come out for... Like, this song is actually awesome, chat. Like, this is actually awesome, dude. So that will be the intro, okay? So we'll call it like intro. I like the way they did that too, like intro. The new user find. Bro, you just have to sing it in your head, okay, chat? Need to find a good rhythm to just like sing that, right? And Soryak. Soryak, dude. So this will be the chorus. See if we can like kind of like reword it. This is too heavy, I think, chat. Gonna have to remove some of those. CashEOS, you are the ultimate right, blazing fast and always up to date with pride, and smooth and stable, no hiccups are inside. You are the future of computing, shining, shining is so bright. CashEOS, we love your speed, a perfect blend of power and creed. No, 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 no. Like something like that, you know, chat? So this... I like that, dude. No matter the task, big or small, CachyOS handle it with a call. This I like, chat. We don't need the bridge. We don't need the chorus. The verse 2 could be fine, chat. So we're gonna do it like that, chat. Verse 2. We're gonna rewrite them just to like sound a little bit better, and then I'm gonna sing it, chat. Are you bringing this to the studio? No, I don't think so, dude. So here, I think we learned something, right? Like, did you see how easy it was to actually like run a model on Linux? Right? Like this is so good, chat. Like, this is actually really good. Okay, so now we're gonna go. Because it's more about the way you sing it, right? New user find simplicity and provide find. CachyOS balance it both day and night with a community that's strong. It's just too long. So new user find simplicity and with the community strong. Okay. New user find it easy, and pro find it might. CachyOS balances both day and night, with a community strong and true. Together we build something new. Oh, CachyOS. You are a force to be reckoned. Lightning fast, it's never second. Smooth signal like no delay. Nah, it's too long. Damn. It's tough, huh, chat? It is a tough one. It is a tough one. Because then we need to like make it smaller and smaller, right? Karaoke afternoon with Air Max brings the cocktail. Hey, salut Cryan. So I got a challenge. I got a challenge to write a song for CachyOS, dude. So here is a challenge. I used Olama. I installed it really thing. So we were installing EndeavourOS, okay? Installed it really fast. Everything works. It's already like what I was expecting. Like this is great. Let's be clear. Now I'm like, let's install like Olama real quick, download a model, and ask it like what if they could like create a song for CachyOS and as an inspiration, okay? And he came back with something like really interesting there. So then what I did, like I would like to use like the kind of like the flow of an old song called Marinella. So Marinella, Tino Rossi, lyrics. Okay, but you see, like it's really small, right? So what we need to do, like based on that, I don't really care about. You know, like you make it like in a way where it could be sing. So let's do this intro. I really like this intro. New user find it easy, and pro find it might. CachyOS balance both. A community strong and true. Together we build something new. Na 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 na. CachyOS, you are a force. Okay, so it'll be like that. You are a force to be reckoned. Lightning facts, you're never second. Man, this is rough. This is too long. Smooth as seal, no like. No input lag. More FPS. Okay. Okay, chat. Let's try again. Shutting Windows so the neighbor don't hear. Dude. You sound like a French Elvis. Wait, chat. Wait. Whoa, I'm doing the good voice there. Okay, are you ready? Oh my god, my dog start to howl. Just kidding. A Linux song made this man shut the windows down. Come on, bro. Power for you every day. Okay. All right. New user find it easy, and pro find it might. CachyOS balance both. A community strong and true. Together we'll build something new. CachyOS, you are a force to be reckoned. Lightning facts is never second. No input lag, more FPS. Stability shines bright. No crashes in sight, it just feel right. Whether you are new or old school pro. CachyOS. Shit. It is here to let you glow. And you will never let it go. CashieOS. Okay, this is good. This is good, dude. CashieOS. You are la crème de la crème on my favorite computer. You make my life way better. Et voilà. Here we go, chat. Okay. So what do you think about EndeavourOS Mercury? Well, if I forget about the operating system, okay, if I forget about the operating system, it's a win. New user find it easy. Profile might. Yeah, wait. New user find it easy, and pro find it might. CashieOS bad and both. A community strong and true. Together we build something new. CashieOS, you are a force to be reckoned. Lightning fast, you are never second. No input lag, more FPS. Stability shines bright. No crash in sight, it just feel right. Whether you're new or old school pro. CashieOS, it's here to let you glow your... It is here to let you glow, and you will never let it go. CashieOS, you are la crème de la crème on my favorite computer. You make my life a way better. Dude! Dude! Okay, now we call a producer, dude. We call a producer. Justin Bieber, I'm coming for you, bro. You won't be the number one in Canada anymore. We done. America's Got Talent. I think it's not bad, no? What do you think, chat? I don't want to make it too long, okay? Man, like, you see when AI kind of help, chat? Yeah, don't... Okay, guys, you don't need to clap. I know I was awful. But I did the challenge. Soryak, don't ever do that to me again. But it's good, okay? I think it's good because imagine if you had to do that on Windows. How easy it is to install Ollama on Windows. I don't know, I've never done it. But like here, it's like insane, no, chat? What do you think? And you open it in a terminal like that, like a browser. It is pretty sweet. So me, the way I use it, I use something called Open Web UI. I never like made a tutorial about it because there is so many out there. Like, but long story short, it's an interface with Ollama backend, right? And you host it on your local server, and you can do like whatever you want in it, right? But this thing is awesome, chat. You see, like, this is exactly how it look like, dude. Can I... Yeah, you see? You have your chat, you type your question, and it just answers, right? So it look better, I would say, than your, terminal. I like the terminal because it's really easy, right, chat? Okay, so the way you install Ollama with CUDA and got it running so fast is just amazing. Hey, thank you, dude. Frailvis has left the building. Hey, again, like Soriak, thank you very much for the 50. Okay, I really appreciate it. It's gonna help a lot the channel. Thanks, man. I'm sold. I'm downloading the ISO now. Let's word it this way. Interesting. Okay, dude. Okay, boys. I'm gonna send it to Peter. Okay, from CacheOS, and I'm gonna tell him like you need to put this song and sing it each time a new user download and play with CacheOS when it comes from my channel. It's so much easy to do things with Linux and quick, and you demonstrated it while installing. You are very welcome. Thank you, man. Thanks a lot. So, yes, it's working. We did that. I'm gonna stop it. Yes. We saved it. Slash buy. Hey, bye. Now I'm gonna, so sudo, sudo system. I'm gonna, so this really important. You need to stop the service, right? Before playing, because it's gonna stay in your graphic card and it might impact the performance, right? Of gaming and everything, right? So I just turn it off and now we're gonna play Rival. So I'm just curious. Proton. Oh no, I don't have the bleeding edge, so I want to go bleeding edge, please. Yes. Update. So this should be fast. And then we're gonna launch BattleBit. We're gonna see if it works. Hey, salut Mega Ghostek. Hello Papa. Will you come over GNOME 48 versus KD in gaming? Yes, I'm just waiting for the release, dude. Listen, I made last year a video when I compared GNOME versus KD versus, I think, Hyperland and I don't remember, maybe XFC and something else. Problem of this video is like, if I think it's not fair if I compare like GNOME Beta and KD Final, you know? So I'm waiting for GNOME 48 to be released and have all the feature in it. And then I'm gonna make a video about it. Okay? Because those videos, like, they're gonna stay like a long time, right? I just think it's unfair for the dev and everybody around, like, you know, who believe in this project, to me, to speed something like that and not taking in consideration what is actually happening, right? Okay, so you don't want to download Broski? Like, what's happening here? Yeah, I saw that video, but a lot of things changed. I know, like, now I wouldn't take in consideration X11 anymore, right? It would be more like a Wayland approach. But yeah. Okay, so let's see if it starts. I'm gonna get another coffee, okay, chat? If you're okay with it, I'm gonna be right back. So now it's not this one. Yeah, it's this one. I'm gonna be right back, chat. Okay? I need another coffee. Oh, nice. Nice, dude. Darn. Okay, game launch. So what did I miss in chat? So this is with no kernel, nothing. I can show you if you want after, like how to install the repo from CacheOS or compile your kernel yourself. But I think like just right now it should be okay-ish. Doesn't feel right. The mouse doesn't feel right, chat. Yeah, it doesn't feel right at all. The heck is going on, dude? Did I do something wrong? Dark flashbang. I never saw this option, chat. Ah, show FPS. Okay, thanks. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Like I think VSync. Oh boy. So here I have 1100 FPS normally. So we'll see how high we go. Oh, my bad. Yo, Fizzy, what's up? Does he know he's still on the be right back? Yeah, I just noticed, man. I forgot to switch the scene. My bad, chat. Hey, salut Michal. Did you join the Discord for CacheOS? Maybe you should ask them directly. How do I cheat in a single player game on Linux? Man, I have no idea, Tsvik. I'm wondering if you could run the FPS. I'm wondering if you can run the cheat through Wine. But I've never done it, Tsvik. So I can't really help. Okay, chat, I just saw it. So yeah, we are a little bit under in terms of FPS compared to what I would get on Cache, but this is a base kernel, right? Like, so there is no optimization, there is nothing. Yeah, we got a little Jeep here. Well, not bad, chat. It's working, boys. So this is without optimization or like nothing. We just launch it. Maybe I'm gonna show you how to compile a TKG kernel after. This is the way I did it before, right? Just TKG kernel and ready to go. So here, I think I need to put some commands there, but I'm not going to put them. I'm just gonna launch the game like that. Hey, salut Marcello. What IEM are you using? You need to do, I think it's exclamation point hardware. There is a page that the bot is going to give you with all my settings. I always forget the name of those IAM. Those are the cheapest one on Amazon. They are doing the job. Xero, another one, dude. Another coffee. Here you go. 10 time for the song. What do you mean? Thank you very much, dude. Thank you for the $2 donation and the other coffee. This one is on Xero. Thanks, dude. What do you prefer, GNOME or KDE? I use KDE, man. Because I use 4Screen at the same time, and GNOME is not good for that. When it comes to managing like multiple display, this is where I think GNOME falls short. Okay, chat? Can someone type exclamation point specs SPECS for Luis Marcello in the chat? I think this is a command to get access to all my hardware. I think. I don't remember, chat. What's going on here? And I don't know why. Like it's struggling, no? It's downloading something, we don't know what, but runtime soldier. Yeah, so I think it's a little bit struggling to download stuff from Steam today. So it has nothing to do with the distro one, chat. It's just something else. I don't know exactly what it is, but so let me check if I can find it here. Spec. Okay, this one. So you go on kit.co/airmax. This is what you need to go. And you go on PC Gaming, this one. I need to update it, actually. This is my old CPU, my old motherboard. So that's the name of the IEM in-ear monitor I use. It's here. Okay, so kit.co/airmax. If you buy anything from there, I'm getting a discount. Like I'm getting some money back, so it's kind of like a referral type of website. Okay, it's launching. Hallelujah. I should try Niri one day. I never heard about this one, Soryak. Really good budget IEM. Yeah, like I used like, you know, the big one before. The problem is like it makes... Yeah, I got tired of them, chat. I just got tired of them. Oh, it's scrollable. Hmm. Oh lol. That's original, dude. Okay, so they didn't fix the video issue. Which is fine.
I've fought Oni, slayed demons. This should be easy.
Okay. Yeah, so here I really need to deactivate the GSP, I feel it, chat. Yeah. So, with my hardware, deactivating the GSP might help a little bit. But anyways.
Here they come now.
And also, like, I don't have a custom kernel, so it doesn't... Like, it's smooth, but it's not, like, great.
Step aside.
Yeah. Did they limit to 300 FPS? The heck? I had way more FPS before, like... Seems like they limit it at 300, kind of.
Double KO. That's 3. They just keep falling. Wow, 4 in a row. 5. That's amazing. Step aside. 6 in a row. Way to go. Unbelievable. What a disgrace.
Okay, it's working, chatter. Yeah, the performance, they are a little bit under. I think it still need to, you know, be optimized, but that's not the pure point of the distro, right?
Step aside. Double KO. Good.
But here what I can tell you is that you need the GSP to be deactivated and you need a custom kernel. But it works. Video issue might be a Proton thing. Yes, it is. Does the kernel matter that much? Yes. So it might not show up here, but like when I move my mouse, like the basic kernel for me, like at my refresh rate and my feeling around it, is not. Yeah, it's not as good. You see, it's not super smooth. So maybe you don't see it on your screen because it's 60 FPS. But here, like, you see the variation of FPS on the right. I go from like 200 something to 100 and nothing really happened. And I think switching kernel can be a great help, dude. Like, those kernels are not made for gaming, right? The basic one. But it works, right? Like, you know, if you're running at 60 Hz and you don't really care about that, I can see it when you jump and strafe the mouse. Yeah, exactly. So like, maybe you won't see it. It's really subjective, right? But I know some users, they are really like for the FPS, like I'm like that, right? Yeah. Yep. Okay. So this is EndeavourOS, chat. So what time is it? How much are we in the stream? Wanna do a little compilation just for fun? Here there is two possibilities, chat. I can show you real quick how to compile a kernel. It's gonna take us like 15 minutes. Or I can play with the CacheOS repo. What do you prefer, chat? Maybe clutching with the packet loss. So no, like the packet loss is related to the fact that I'm streaming on the same connection and multi-streaming on the same connection. So if you look at the packet loss, it's just the send one, not the receive. So you use cache still, you can if you want. Here you have like two. Okay, so let me explain you right like pretty fast. So Excalibur. So let me show you quick. So EOS gaming. But it's also it works also for Arch, because this is the same anyways. What I would do, so let me do that. So Arch. So let's say you start with Arch or EOS, like, and you want to optimize for gaming. First thing is like, so driver. Okay. Opti, you do like, you know, GSP, mod probe, option. So I won't go in detail into that, but this is what you need to look at. So on versus off. Okay, this is what I would do first. And then you go to the kernel, okay? And kernel, like the one I've been using most of the time before switching to KG, it's the TKG Linux. Like this one is a beast, chat. Because you can compile it, you can do whatever you want. Okay? TKG Linux. And then the other is like you go with the CacheOS repo. Okay? And then you choose what you want to do. You kind of interested the difference between the cache and base Arch kernel. I made multiple videos on it. It's gonna be in your 0.1% lows when you do like any type of benchmark. You're gonna get better result with the TKG or the CacheOS kernel, right? You might have sometime a little bit less FPS when you do a bench, but you're gonna have like a better input lag, like a better reactivity overall. So the game, like they will feel smoother. Who is better for gaming, TKG or CacheOS? I don't know. It's been a long time. I tried them, but I'm guessing they are the same, dude. But that will be my recommendation. Like this one is good because you do it yourself, right? You compile. So if you are like a control freak, you go with TKG. If you want someone else to compile it for you, you add the CacheOS repo, dude. Yeah, it's fizzy, good idea. Someone else mentioned like this Titus tech, like Chris, like the Chris tool Titus tech to automate the install. Like I'm wondering how we would go, dude. So both are easy. I'm gonna show it to you, Harry guys. I'm gonna do it now. Okay, download. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So you go Linux, TKG, GitHub. It's gonna be interesting. I never compiled a kernel with this specific CPU. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna get with the latest one. EVGF. I like Bohr personally, so we're gonna go with Bohr. GCC. I made a full video about that, like how to do it. So let's see how it goes, chat. My big problem on Linux is there is like 1000 Proton version. It feels like a full experiment. Even though I use the experimental and the custom G1, but someone it feels like overwhelming. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have this issue. I just use the Proton experimental bleeding edge and I'm good. But okay, so it's gonna install the dependencies there. So here you need to choose which version of the CPU you have. So do I have a Zen 5? Yeah, I think I have a Zen 5, no, chat? I don't want to do something bad, but... Yeah, so it's Zen 5. So Zen 4 will be the one before, I believe. Okay. Here, 1000 megahertz. Tickless, yes. ACID override, no, we don't need that. And yeah, it's gonna start. So we are at 15 here. Yeah, so he put it already, right? But I'm gonna add it in case it's all the optimization, and then it's gonna do the thing. So he adds the patch. I made a full video where I explain, like, you know, if you are like me, you don't have like a crazy amount of core. What you could do is like you'd mod probe, and mod probe will let you just compile the module you actually need for your PC, right? But yeah, we'll see how long it takes, chat. So 11:53 a.m. This is when we started. I'm guessing it's gonna take us 15 minutes. So yeah, 15 minutes from now we should be fine. Salut believer, dang, I'm going to have to rewind just so the stream was up. Man, you're gonna have to rewind for sure because you don't want to miss what I did just before. You don't want to miss it, dude. We created a song for CachyOS, chat. So why haven't you tried using the the Cosmic environment with Kashi. So I did try it, but it's still in alpha or beta, and there is a lot of issue. So here is my take on that. We have a lot of viewer going through my stream, and I'm really respectful of the work of every dev. You know, like I'm respectful of it. So imagine I make a video about Cosmic desktop environment, and the experience is trash, and I say it's trash because I have to say it like the stream is gonna talk by itself, right? Like I install on bare metal, everything, like nothing works. It's an issue, right, chat? It's an issue because people are gonna look for Cosmic, and they're gonna find this video, and they're gonna be, yeah, this is trash. And it's unfair to the dev, right? Like the dev, right now it's in beta or alpha, like I can't review it, dude. I just can't. Ethically, I can do that. Because I'm gonna judge them on a work which is not done. So that's why I'm not doing it, dude. But we made a video about Cosmic, like maybe like 6 or 7 months ago, and I think I unlisted it. I didn't want, yeah. YouTube chat is really slow today to go through on screen. You think? Can you test all CachyOS kernel? I've done it offline already. And maybe we're gonna have to do it one of those days, but I have other projects rather than doing that. Like the main kernel is solid enough, chat. Like you don't need to, yeah, you don't need to trigger too much. Like there is some scheduler within the kernel now you can play with SCEDX, which can add a little bit, but like it's not like, I don't know. It's not worth like spending like for me like 20 hours and giving you like a full feedback review on the scheduler, which is going to be false. Let's say like 2 weeks from now because a new scheduler pop out and it's better. You know what I mean? CachyOS team, what they do, they will take the best scheduler and put it in the main kernel, which is delivered with the distro, and like that you always have the best. You don't have to think about it. Honestly, this is the best approach, chat. To any new people joining the stream right now, Air Max is hacking the NASA, as you can see on the screen. Salut, Aigo. Now, we are not hacking the NASA. I'm just compiling a kernel. Okay, optimized kernel with a TKG script. That's what we are doing right now. Xanmod is a good alternative for those who don't want to compile. Yeah, it's a decent one. You have Xanmod, which is decent. I made a video also about all the kernel. It's on my channel. The issue also related to kernel is that you see, like some other YouTuber, they will test the kernel and they will do a bench, but the bench doesn't tell the whole story, right? It doesn't tell you the input lag. It doesn't tell you like the frame time when you are actually moving the mouse. And those story, they can't be related in a bench, because the bench, you launch a script and it's getting like, the minimum loads and whatever, but you don't have any interaction with the PC, right? When you use a custom kernel, most of the time you might have a little bit less FPS, but your 0.1% low, your 1% low while you are gaming, they're gonna be way better. And you won't have those frame drop when you move the mouse or whatever. Like it's just smoother. EU on site. Hello, monsieur. Did I say it correctly, monsieur? So you write it like monsieur, if I speak French. So it's not technically correct, but that's fine. How are you, monsieur? For people with old CPU, do you recommend compiling the kernels themselves? You could do it way faster. Okay, you could do it way faster by just using mod probe. I made a video about it. Just look for Linux TKG kernel on my channel, and even with the old CPU, you will be able to compile it yourself. Do I recommend doing it? Just use, if you are using Arch, just use the repo from cache, like end of story. Because even if I have a new processor, look at the time I'm gonna have to wait. In each time I have to do an upgrade, right? With my 5950X and my script, it could take less than 4 minutes, 5 minutes to compile it, because I will just compile like the driver related to my hardware, which was fine, but it's still 5 minutes, right? With a 5950X, like overclocked to death. Do you want to do it? That's your call. Me, I will tell you, like, just download a precompiled one. You need to start using Passmark. It's quick and give you a CPU performance statistic. Can run in terminal with one command. Man, I know I have to do it, Chad. I have to do it, Fezzy. But also, it doesn't test like what I'm looking after, right, for gaming. The story about input lag and, you know, overall feeling, I can't show it. The only way I could show it, and I thought about it, was to, you know, rent one of those like 500 FPS, like 1000 FPS camera, and do some type of really solid, like, you know, like bench, like technical bench. Like, for example, like Optimum Tech, he did one like that, where he has a machine who press a button on his mouth and you can see like the latency. Like, I would love to do that, dude, but like, we are not there yet. Like, I think like renting something like that will cost me at least like $1,000 Canadian for like 3 days. So to shoot a video like that, I would have to prepare for at least like 3 or 4 days, trying to create some type of like benchmark methodology, right? Then I would have to go run the thing, like shoot, make the test, align the methodology, right? And then when I've done all of that, bring the material back, and then make a video about it. So I'm gonna have to log like 1 week, 1 week and a half for a subject which is like, you know, like at my level, it doesn't make any sense. Do you consider yourself a humble person? Angel, I'm trying to be humble. I'm trying. Am I? I don't know. You know, humility is a really subjective concept. I'm trying to be humble. What do you think? I've never tried any of the other thing like Zen kernel and stuff like that. Yeah, you should give it a try, GR. But if you're on radio cache, like, you're on something solid. There is one issue with using the CacheOS repo. Sometime it will try to convert your distro from Arch to CacheOS, so Arch will no longer be Arch. There is a way to just take the kernel out of CacheOS. There is a way, like, you just have to play with the position of the repos themselves, or deactivate the one you don't want, for example. So yes, you can do it, dude. Bro, did I actually compile the kernel as fast as my 5950X? 11 minutes. This is literally how long it will take with my 5950X. Is it done? I think we're at the end, chat. It's good to be humble. Nobody is perfect, but it's always good to try. Yeah, I'm trying. Like you know what? Yeah, I don't know, man. You decide. And if I'm not humble, like to your eyes, that's okay too, right? It's fine. Doing my best here, dude. Hello, Abu. Abu Chick, what's up? How is NVIDIA 570 doing? I'm having a ton of fun with it. Are there still power management issue where the animation stutter after 5 second idle? The card didn't have enough time to clock. I never encountered this issue, bro. Am I at the linking stage now? Yeah, this is where we're at. Done. I thought we'll be almost done. It's slower than my 5950X, dude. I know the kernel are becoming bigger and bigger too. But yeah, like it's slow on this PC. 9800 X3D is not good for compiling. I'm probably the kindest person in the world, but I'm from the 80s, so I'm passive-aggressive on the side, bad combo. Hey, Vexy. Get good, okay? Just be yourself, let the rest work itself out. Yeah, I'm okay, dude. Not by a lot. Yeah, we are not far, but we are still far, dude. So we are like 5 minutes more than the 5950X right now. 5 minutes, dude. Mm-hmm. $5950X compile kernel in 11 minutes. Oh yeah, I know, dude. Sometimes 10s, 10 and a half. But yeah, like here we are at more like, so we started was 54, so we are at 13 minutes now. 13 minutes, chat. This is nothing. Compiling LibreWolf take 30 minutes on the Ryzen 5950X. Yes. We find it. Like, I knew when I got these CPUs that compiling will not be like the end game for it. I knew it, chat. This thing shine in video games. But honestly, it's not bad. I don't think we're gonna double. I don't think it's gonna take us 22 minutes. My guess is gonna take us like 2 or 3, 4 minutes max more. So we were at 11. Right now we are at 14 minutes. 14 minutes, dude. So 14 minutes. I would say 16 minutes. Yeah. Hey, salut Daznik, what's up, buddy? About a 9950X because of this, I can't live with less frame if the shader processing is zoom. Same with compiling kernel, etc. Yeah, So you know, I thought about the 9950X too, but I was thinking, you know, I don't compile anymore, right? Like I use the kernel compiled from CachyOS. So I'm like, I'd rather have the FPS. But yeah, like right now we are like compressing, installing, and I said in my video, my review video about this distro, like compiling and like especially like compressing and decompressing is not the forte of the CPU, chat. It is not. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna check if the room is warm. Yeah. Okay, so let me tell you something, chat. If I was doing that on my 5950X, my room will be like so warm, chat. Like so warm. But here, like I just put my hand, the thing is cold. This is, in my opinion, like this is better for me. Like, this is so good. Having a place where, you know, you're not like dying because your CPU is really warm, that's good. Like I know with the 5950X, especially with the overclock I put in his face. Let me tell you, chat. Yeah, that was rough. That was pretty rough, dude. It was really warm in my room. Whatever I was doing, it was getting warm. Hey, one day you should try DistroTube OS. I didn't know DistroTube made an operating system. What? He had an OS. Oh, here we go. Stop. So 11 chat. 17, dude. Like 16 to 17 minutes. I was not far, huh, chat? Wow, they have the hook for Dracut. So here, what I'm kind of like worried about is the driver, dude. So 16, okay. Chat, 16 minutes. This is the one I'm supposed to look, right? The real. 16 minutes. So wait, let me check something. I don't know how they install the server. What am I doing? We don't have DKMS. How I'm gonna load the driver, bros? I don't remember how they do that, chat. So they have their own script, right? But I can't find the NVIDIA DKMS package on my machine. You see? Salut André. We're gonna reboot, we'll see. I think we're gonna get stuck, but we're gonna try, okay, chat? We can fix it, it's not a problem. I just need to install DKMS and the NVIDIA DKMS driver, we should be fine. Maven, 8-core 60 thread is what make it slow, but it's not really slow, and since you are in a kernel dev building twice a day, it doesn't matter too much. Yeah, exactly, Maven. That's what I think, too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, chat. He didn't update grub? The heck happened there? He doesn't see it anymore, dude. This is really odd, chat. We're gonna fix it. So you see, you need to have like some basis on Arch, right? Like if you don't have some basis on Arch, at this time right now, like... Yeah, you could be in panic. You could be like, what? They don't have grub hooks? You sure about that? Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. It's not complicated, but... Alright, so where are we? So this is our like boot partition for EndeavourOS, and this is the other one, okay? So what we're gonna do a directory in mount, okay? Like that. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, we're gonna mount. So sudo mount dev. We're gonna mount the first one, sdb2 into mnt shroot, like that. And then we're gonna mount the boot one into /boot, I think. EFI. I think this is how you need to mount it. Yes. So just to double check. So there is a tutorial, like there is an explanation on. Yeah. Okay. So we're good. So now I mounted it, right? So now we're gonna do shroot sudo shroot. I think this is how you do it. /mnt shroot, like that. Okay, so we are in. So yes. All right. So now we are into it. So what does it mean? It means that on this window here, it's literally like I was in my EndeavourOS partition, like, okay? Like PC, like this is literally like... So do we have update grub? Yeah, command not found. What? I don't have yay in this thing. Man, so here when you are lost, you do like that, chat. Okay. So they call it boot. So we're gonna create another one. I'm gonna show you, chat. Arch, Schroot, no, grub, update, up. Arch wiki, grub. The command is here. Yeah. That's the command, chat. So you do sudo grub install. You need to give the correct like positioning there, so it's /boot. /efe. Okay, and we're gonna call it EOS. So boot down. Okay, boot /efe. Okay, my bad, chat. I made a mistake. Maybe I made a mistake, chat. Oh, maybe I made a mistake. Arch. Schroot. You wanted cache? Oh, you think I did? No. No, I did not, dude. Oh, I did. My bad. I made a mistake. Sorry. You see? So, sudo umount mnt schroot boot. Okay. Okay, we do the same. We start again, chat. So it's A. I made a mistake, chat. So we're gonna get out from here. Just to make sure. Mistake were made, chat. Okay, we got it, dude. My bad. So. That's why I was like, yeah, is not there. Okay, so now it's working, okay? Now we have it. I was like, why don't I don't have yeah? Okay, so update. Do we have grub? No. Grub. No, so yay. Grub. Update. Yay. Okay, it doesn't want to. Okay, so it doesn't want to install, no problem. We go back there, chat. Same player, play again, chat. Boot. EFE, so it will be this one. Slash boot slash EFE. I think this is the current way of doing it. So, no. So slash boot slash EFE, bootloader, EOS. Man, it's Monty, dude. Error, cannot find a device. Forgot to do what? Sudo arch root mount. Oh, it's arch root, my bad. Yeah, it's my fault. Okay, my fault, chat. So this is gonna be the one we're gonna use. I just did shroot and not arch root. My bad, dude. Okay, my bad, chat. Just to see, like, there is a script normally that does it for you. Okay, update grub. Yeah, sure. Allez, hop. We're gonna do it like that. Allez, here we go. Wrong command, chat. But now it's updated. We should be fine. Reboot. Allez, hop. Let's see if it works. It's my fault, chat. I did a shroot, but not a arch shroot. So it was my fault, chat. Joe lad, you are now a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club. Thank you very much, dude. Thank you very much. Yeah, okay. We fixed it. Was not complicated, but I messed up. It's my fault. Okay, chat. Jolad, thank you very much for your support, brother. Much appreciated. Salut Fidelio. It's my fault, chat. I think we're gonna have to end the stream anyways. Okay, so we are on the wrong kernel. Let's reboot. It's my fault. Yeah, I made a mistake. So there is a cache route for CacheOS, which is like even better than this one, I have to say. Maybe one day I should show it with you. I should share it with you guys. So here my concern is like we might not have like the GKMS installed properly. So it might not work. And if it doesn't work, we're gonna have to redo what we have done before, which is like shroot, install GKMS, and install the GKMS driver. Oh. Actually, I don't need to shroot. So here you can see like the drivers are not installed properly. That's why we are blocked. So you don't really need to shroot. They have apparently another application. So let's see. Okay, so here is gonna push the DKMS version. So let's see what it does. Okay, so we have a dependency issue, chat. Okay. So here, what we need to do, we need to remove this package and command to run. So sudo pacman. So it's pretty cool because it gives you the command to run. So we're gonna remove no confirm. No progress bar. No depths. Lib 32. NVIDIA utils NVIDIA. Valid option. Oh, where is it? Man, it's so small, bro. Like, what the heck? Where is the invalid option, chat? Oh, there is two line. My bad. Okay, so this is how you do it. My bad, my bad, my bad. Man, they should make it like smaller. So how do we remove the dependency, chat, to force without dependency? CacheOS root is amazing. Yeah, I know. I know it is, dude. Let me check. I know it's a... Hey, salut, Agada... Agada Battlegar, what's up, brother? There is an option, chat. So it's gonna be easy. I'm just checking to do it like violently. RS CND. Allez hop. RS CND. Let's go, papa. No, he went too far. no, he went too far, dude. No, this is not what I want. RSN, maybe. Yeah. We went a little bit too far. We went a little bit too far, boys. Well, you know what? F it. Yeah, sure. Okay. Old school chat. So it's my fault, right? Because I should have installed the driver right away. And then install Steam. Okay, this is the issue, right? I should have done that more like properly, kind of. But nah. That's why, like, you need to learn, right? Then we're gonna reinstall Steam and we should be fine. But with DKMS, I know I'm gonna be able to boot. But this is basic Arch. And I did fail, dude. I'm getting used to the easiness of CachyOS chat. So if you really want to learn, this is what you need to go through, right? But if you wanted to do the easy way, you just go with CachyOS and let them do for you. And yeah, it depends what you want to do, right? If you want to become like a hardcore geek and spend a lot of time on your operating system to do, you know, everything you want to do and do everything on your own, you go this way, right? Man, I don't miss missing with DKMS NVIDIA. Well, truth is like, listen, when it's done, like when it's done, you have nothing to do, right? Like you literally have nothing to do. When this thing is done, yeah, it's game over. Oh, I should have updated Grub. Okay. Oh. I forget to update Grub. It should be fine normally. We didn't touch it, but it should be fine, chat. But like, just in case, dude, just be like super serious about it. Be like, dude. Be like, oh, Max, what are you doing? No, we didn't touch it. Should be fine, okay? Okay, now we are cachy, chat. Okay, yeah, no, thanks. And voila, dude. CachyOS. Oh, not CachyOS, TKG, dude. TKG ball. Yes. Give me the juice. Now you do even better, chat. Now we know we boot. Oh, we don't need this one, dude. We don't need it anymore, chat. I have to live dangerously in this life. We don't need it anymore. Machine. Wait, you are not using system deboot? No. Oh, why do you use that? I don't need it, chat. Now we are using TKG board. I'm telling you, this thing's gonna fly. We compiled it ourselves. Yeah. That's all, chat. So now what I could do too is deactivate the GSP, but I don't want to do it today. Like I made many videos about it. Listen, we are golden. Like I'm telling you straight, we are golden.
I will not rest until I return to my world once more.
I still think we need to set up the driver properly, like with mod probe and stuff. Yeah, perfs are not good, huh? Both. So is it compiling or something in the background? Yeah, something is happening, chat. In the background, something is happening. So he's doing some type of compilation in the background. Like, this is way too much. Does the TKG kernel have some superior performance compared to Kashi kernel? No. I think they would be like kind of the same. They have the same patch and same stuff, right? Yeah, something is happening in the background, chat. Maybe some shader compilation. Like, this is a lot of usage for running in practice, right? Like a lot, dude.
Here, step aside. Did that hurt? Good. Farewell. You're mine. Mind over matter.
Double KO.
All right, boys.
The enemy has arrived.
Decided to vsync me for whatever reason. So we're gonna restart. Something is odd. Does TKG give a meaningful FPS increase over Zen? Yes. So it won't be a FPS increase. It will be more like latency. You're gonna get a better experience overall. So yeah, I will be the idea. Something went wrong there. I don't know why. I was like vsync locked. And there is maybe like some mod probe option I need to add. Like there is certainly maybe stuff like we need to do. Like right now I did it dirty, chat. I just wanted to prove like you could install EndeavourOS real fast and have fun with it.
Everything in this place feels so familiar, and yet so strange.
Yeah, FPS are not good, chat. FPS are not good for whatever reason. So here, what I could do
Here they come now.
is go with
A disgrace.
GSP off. So this is, I believe, like why we have such a bad experience right now is because of the GSP and the way the driver are loaded. So NVIDIA, that would be my guess, chat. So let's do it for science, chat. I don't think it comes from the kernel. It could be the kernel too. Okay? But I don't think it is. But it could be, chat. Oh, it's in lib. Okay. Just for the science. Where do they put it? Lib. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna edit it there, like right away. I'm gonna do even better, chat. So this is a command you want to use. Okay. So what it does, like this is the one. You disable the firmware. There is over like new stuff related to the driver. But now we're gonna regenerate. Voilà, we rebuild it, so it's gonna rebuild everything. So rebuild the initramfs, taking in consideration those options. And yeah, should be fine. We don't need to update grub, but I'm gonna update it again. Okay, let's start again. Salut Steelpeak, what's up? Is Zen kernel still better than vanilla? I believe it. So my graphic card doesn't work with GSP. So GSP, it's complicated, man. I made a full video about it. Like just go on my Linux, on my channel, and search for NVIDIA deep dive. I think it will be better, chat, than me explaining it again. I feel like each time we do a stream and I show the, you know. Okay, so we are loading the driver correctly. I think it did rebuild the initramfs. So I'm kind of like surprised. Yeah, you don't have to go that hard, chat. Mm. That's odd. The heck? Uh, yeah, it's odd. I shouldn't have. Normally, it should work, but we did a lot of like stuff left and right. Could be the reason why like we are stuck there. Definitively, my issue there. Okay, let's do it even worse. Yeah, I don't think I made a mistake. This is the way it should be written. I'm wondering if I need to rebuild the module too. Okay, no, the things are there. Okay, so we should be fine. Let's try to do it again. So I just got rid of, like, I didn't got rid of Dracut. I just installed mkinit cpio because for whatever reason, like, Dracut was giving me a headache. But yeah, I don't want to spend too much time on it. I think if you want to learn, again, Arch, this is the one way to go. It sucks because I didn't sell it well there, chat. Could be a lot of things, right? Could be the kernel itself, because we went Bohr. Maybe Bohr sucks on my CPU. I had to switch the way I install the driver because my graphic card has issue with the open module, which is installed by default. You know, it could be a lot of things going on there. And it sucks because I didn't give you a... Now, you know. Oh, okay, so now it's working. So Dracut was annoying me. Maybe they do something different. I don't know about. Okay, because guys, I didn't use EndeavourOS for like 9 months, okay? And they have their own way of doing things, so there is certainly stuff that I kind of like messed up. So it's in my fault. Like, it's not related to the distro again. Okay, chat. I just want you to know. Here we deactivate the GSP. We'll see like if I have, you know, better feeling about the FPS and everything else. You're just making CachéOS look amazed in comparison. It's my fault, dude. It's not related to EndeavourOS. It's my fault because I lost those reflex. Okay? Forget to update Grub because there is no hook to upgrade Grub. I installed a custom kernel, but you don't really need to install it this way. Again, you can just install the repo of CachéOS and add the kernel you want there. Like, I make my life harder than it is. I still believe this is great for learning Arch. And I'm doing a lot of things on the screen. Maybe you don't get them. And if you don't get them, well, you need to learn if you want to be like an Arch, by the way, type of user. If you don't want to learn them, well, just install CachéOS. But by using CachéOS, you're not going, like, you're going to learn Arch. But it's kind of like Arch serve on the plate versus like what Arch is really under the hood. But it depends, you know, like I won't be judging you, like if, you know, you don't want to learn Arch, it's fine. By not learning Arch, however, like, you know, you're gonna put yourself in a position where you won't really know what to do. If you have an issue, like you won't learn like what is under the hood. So, you know, if I had to make an analogy with like you being a driver, you know, like a rally driver, if you use Arch, you will be the driver, but also the mechano. And if you use CachéOS, you will just be the driver. If something breaks, you don't have the mechano like knowledge, and you're on your own. Like you're gonna have to learn. Like that's the only difference. Personally, like I've done both, and right now, like I like CachéOS better because I don't want to waste my time on this. Yeah, I just want the thing to run. You know what I mean? But here you can see, like in 2 seconds we fixed it, and now watch, I have 300 FPS. So it was the GSP the issue. Okay, like I mentioned, like with me, with my hardware, the GSP is just breaking everything, and I have like huge performance decrease. Okay, like huge performance decrease if I don't do the job. So here we were like at 140 FPS. Yeah, now it's like flying good. Like this is a really good example of, you know, GSP issue on the driver right now.
Wow, 4 in a row.
And some users they won't have this issue, right?
6 in a row.
Me with my
Go. Unbelievable.
card, I have them.
Your day ends, demon. Step aside.
There we go, dude.
Did that hurt? Good.
Voila, now we are at 360 FPS when I look at the sky. And I don't have like huge FPS drop like I had before. You see, like I'm at 250, 260. This is the same PC, this is the same install, just like optimized, right? And now we are flying.
The enemy has
You know.
arrived.
I stood Arch for 10 years, wiki is my bible, stuff I learn is ejected at a rapid pace. Yeah. So, again, like it depends what you do, right, chat? Like it depends what you want to do. Oh yeah, now it's like this is the best experience, chat.
Double kill.
This is the best experience.
They just keep
No question asked. So I'm just double check, but yeah, like everything is great for me here.
Row.
End of story. Must be a 1490 GSP issue. Yeah, it is. But that's the only thing I changed there.
step aside.
Double kill.
Night and day, I can even tell on the stream. Yeah. So you see the outlost is because I'm streaming. I'm multi-streaming actually, so sometimes like my peering is bad with my connection
Double kill.
when I start to, you know, send data everywhere. It is what it is. But it wouldn't have any impact on my FPS because my in is okay, right? So what it would impact is like if when I'm flying around because I'm not sending enough data to the server. Sometime like the adversary like is gonna see me like frozen in the middle. But that's all.
Double KO.
On my end, he's not going to cause anything.
That's 3. Wow, 4 in a row. 5.
Yeah, we fine.
Amazing.
They just keep.
Let's try this one real quick. So right now you are on a Arch with Dracut and Ye by default and a theme installed. Right? That's this is Arch. Easy mode. It could be cool to see a Debian seed install, work it, and compare it with Rhino one day. Man, like... yeah, it would be cool. Could do that one day, for sure. I have more content coming with the Steam Deck next week. Or maybe like... when I'm gonna push that. I think I'm gonna push it... when I'm gonna be pushing it. I think on Friday we're gonna do the install of Bazzite on Steam Deck. I don't want the stream to become like too ticky because I'm trying to get away from that. So you see, like maximum FPS right now, I'm a little bit under compared to where I was before. I was at 1033 before, something like that. Now I'm more at like 950, so I lost like 70 FPS. Oh no, okay, it's going back. Okay, because maybe there is some compilation on the back. But normally with the TKG kernel, I would have like my average maybe like a little bit under. Compared to, you know, like the base one, but at the end, I will still have a better experience. No, okay, we are a little bit higher. Okay. So if I don't move like I was before, 1100, a little bit plus, but I wouldn't judge the kernel on the average FPS. I will judge it on how you feel in game, right? Like the reactivity on your mouse, and that it's faster, dude. So yeah, like the input lag is a little bit better. Like it's way better, but there is a high chance maybe with your hardware you might not be able to feel it because you don't have a 270 Hz monitor. You know, you don't have those FPS. I don't know. Like, well, maybe your eyes are just. You can just see it, right? Like it's like... I have some of my buddies that have really good hardware, but they're like, hey, I can't see any difference. I'm like, okay, sure. But there is a difference. At least on my hardware. So here we go, dude. That's it, that's all for today. We did a quick and dirty update, like optimization on EndeavourOS. Like, don't do the same. Read the wiki, don't do what I've done. But I would say upgrade the kernel, make sure like your drivers are correctly installed, and that's all. Now you have a Arch distro working like a god with the easy installer. Right. Need a little bit of theming, but this is gonna be super fast. And you're good to go, dude. I missed a dono. Boys, oh, I'm sorry, chat. We got another dono from Zero. My bad, brother. Relax, Papa. Fixing issue live will help others learn. Also, that dollar to get you a pro haircut. Man, listen, dude. We're gonna stop with those haircut, okay? Thank you for the 5, brother. Keep some of those money for you, okay, bro? I know it's rough out there, so thank you very much for the dono again. Did not have to do it. Guys, that was fun. We did some singing. I didn't expect it to be doing that today. We got new member during this stream, which is awesome. Whether it was on YouTube or on Twitch. We did install EndeavourOS, kind of like customize it real quick, optimize it real fast. This is a dirty way of doing it. I would recommend you to follow the wiki, follow the Arch wiki. I do believe I made some video about that earlier. Today was a little bit of a fail, but at the end we fixed it. We disabled the GSP. We installed like the DKMS version of the driver. We did compile the Linux TKG board kernel. So even if it was dirty, we made it work. I would say like if you follow this stream and you literally did what I've done, I think what you should do really is make sure you generate the initramfs with Dracut properly. I'm missing some things there. I don't want to spend time on it. But yes, if it's broken with Dracut on EndeavourOS for whatever reason, just install mkinit cpio and modify the hook related to regenerate the initramfs each time you update the kernel. I know, maybe I'm talking a little bit like gibberish for some of you guys, but if you read the wiki, it's going to be crystal clear for you. But yeah, that's all. Guys, that's all. I still don't understand Arch wiki, even after 1 year on Arch. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for all the follow. Thanks for all the donations. Thanks for everything. We won't have a video on Thursday. I don't think I'm going to push a video, dude, because I have some stuff going on the side. Friday, we're going to have another stream. It's going to be Basite. And beginning of the week, I'm going to finally cover SteamOS. I hope, chat. Okay? So, thanks for all the love. Thanks for everything, chat. Today was awesome, like always. Have a great rest of your day. And see you on Friday. Okay? Take care. And as always, bisous, papa. And yeah, EndeavourOS is awesome, chat. Awesome.